Welcome to Llama Drama. So let's take a look at our number sentence emoji mystery. Take a look that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 separate number sentences. And our goal is going to be to solve for the unknown question mark all the way at the bottom. In order to solve for the unknown question mark, we need to go ahead and determine what each one of these emojis stand for. I'm going to tell you that I am analyzing these lovely little faces, and they appear to me to be llamas, not alpacas. You could say it looks like an alpaca, but I'm going to go ahead and call it a llama. And llamas, they're kind of similar to camels. They have very woolly fur, um, and they live in areas like South America, and they are used to carry things back and forth. And they become actually very popular even in this country for their lovely wool. And you'll often see them on farms grazing as pets. So let's go ahead and start our llama mystery puzzle. Looking at number 1, I can see that all 3 of the llama faces are the same. So I'm going to title this llama face the smiling llama. And this is going to help me keep track of my information for the unknown. And remember, this is critical thinking algebra. Analyzing that first number sentence, I noticed that I need to add 3 numbers to get 15. Because all 3 of these emoji llama faces are the same, the numbers need to be the same. So ask yourself, using repeated addition, what would you add 3 times to get 15? Take a moment to think about that. And of course, remember, addition, multiplication, very closely connected. Multiplication is simply repeated addition. So I was thinking 5 plus 5 plus 5 would give me 15. And I can confirm that that is correct. So the smiling llama is 5. I just solved for the smiling llama. See how this is algebra? Now let's go down to the second one. When I look at the second one, I see 2 of those lovely little smiling llama faces. And I know that the smiling llama is 5. So I'm going to go ahead and insert what I know. Now the unknown is this little guy right here. Doesn't look too happy, so I'm going to also give that llama face a name. And sorry, we're going to have to call him, or I'm going to have to call him the crying llama. No idea why he's crying. Maybe he does not want to be in that parentheses embrace. And now let's take what we know. And I'm going to have a little workspace here to rewrite it. I have 5 plus parentheses 5 times crying llama, which is unknown, equals 60. And this is when you really are going to be using guess and check, and you're going to need your workspace. So of course, remember, we are always solving the parentheses first. Now use your number sense. I could try to plug in 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 50. And then drop it down, and let's try to slide. Do I get my target of 60? 5 plus 50 is 55. I did not get my target, but I am so close to my target. So that's definitely a good thing that I'm so close. So I think using my number sense, I'm really going to maybe change that 10 to something else. What should we change that 10 to? Because it's very, very close. 55 is so close. You should be probably thinking of 11. Let's try 11 and let's solve. Solve parentheses first. 5 times 11 is 55. Drop it down, and then let's slide like a dance. 5 plus 55 is 60. It does check out. So because it checks out, that crying llama now becomes an 11. And now I'm ready to move on to the next number sentence. And let's really analyze that third number sentence and also see if we have a new emoji face. And they are adorable. Ooh, here's a new one. Okay, did you notice? Look at that. We do have a new one. Looks like he's winking. So let's call that one, and you can confirm that one, the winking llama. They're so cute. I actually want one really bad. If you don't know this about Miss Niagara, I am in love with just having animals and nature. So I would love to one day have some llamas and a little goat. I can invite you all over and you can pet them because they look really cute. Okay, so let's determine what we already know. We already know that that crying llama is worth 11. So let's plug in our 11. And now our unknown is that really cute winking llama. We're going to go ahead on the side and set up that workspace. Parentheses unknown. You could put WL for winking llama, but I'm just going to leave it blank to keep it neat. 11, close the parenthesis, plus 11, and that target number is 88. All right, so here's where we do our guess and check again. Use your number sense. If that 11 was a 10 and I multiplied it by 7, that would be 70. And that's plus 11 gives me close to 88. So I'm going to go ahead and try 6. It's okay if it doesn't work. We just rewind and revise. Let's try 6. I'm going to plug in 6 for the unknown. 6 times 11 is 66. Drop it down, plus 11. And does that work? 66 plus 11. Oh, so close, so close, so close. But not close enough because 66 plus 11 gives me 77. I need to go back in and revise my winking llama. So instead of 6, it was so close. What do you guys think? Like if it's so close, maybe we can just go to one more, 7. And now let's try that. 7 times 11, 77 plus 11, 77 plus 11, 88. Yes, fancy pen, fancy pen. I love those colors. Is 88. I can confirm that that winking llama is going to have the value of 7. Notice that 7 right there. We are so almost done, and we just need to go and take a look at that last one and keep a close eye, very close eye on all of the faces, because now we just discovered that this is 7 and we are so close. Okay, last one. I have 2 crying llamas outside of parentheses. I have a winking llama, and look, they're all familiar faces. We just have some doubles. Okay, so that's okay. We just need to double it. So we have 2 of the crying llamas. One crying llama is 11. So what would 2 crying llamas be? 11 plus 11 is 22. So this value is 22. Sorry about that. Let me make that a little bit thicker. We're going to go in there, do that. We have 22. Our winking llama is 7. There's only one of those. And we have double smiling llamas. One smiling llama is 5, so double would be 10. And now let's rewrite this right here. 22. Let me make sure we write it correctly. Did a lot of work on this. 22 plus 7 plus 10. And that's going to bring us to the unknown. So what is it going to be? I think you can do the rest on your own and make sure that you solve for the unknown and submit your work. Great job, and hopefully we will be practicing a lot more and get ready for the next emoji mystery puzzle.